Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space C colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type C colon, then hit enter. Now we need to type cd space C colon / and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Type in bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command.
Now type in bootrec space / fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space C colon / and simply hit enter. Now type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcdedit space / exports space C colon / bcd backup, then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space C colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now type cd space C colon / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space C colon /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type ren space C colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space / rebuildbcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.